I'm Laura McMahon, Senior Executive Chef with Aramark. This is my friend Serenity. She's a first grader from one of our elementary schools here at Bethlehem Area School District. She goes to Marvine. So Serenity and I thought it'd be a great idea to show some of our friends at home some fun things they can make over winter break. So today we're gonna make for you our snow day mix. So when you're home over the holiday break and it's cold outside and you want something fun to do with your friends and family, we can make this fun mix. You wanna help me? Okay, I need you to put this right in the big bowl. Dump it in.
Dump it?
Yep, dump it in. So we have some candy, and we have some of your favorite rice cereal. Dump it in. And we got some of your favorite little oat rings here. And you can use your favorite cereal. What's your favorite cereal, Serenity? What's your favorite cereal? I'll take the bowl. We got some fun pretzels.
Yum.
All right, what else should we put in there? How about these little vanilla cookies? You like vanilla cookies? All right, do it. What about marshmallows? Do you like marshmallows? All right, marshmallows in.
Yummy marshmallow.
Go ahead, toss them all around. All right, so then here we have some yummy white chocolate. You want to give it a stir?
Yes.
Give it a little stir. Ready? And we're going to pour it over like snow. Why pour it? You think you can mix? All right, let's go. Get your spatula. You ready? I'll drizzle, you stir. Ready? Whoa, it's like snow.
It's yum.
It's yum, right? All right, so that's all it is. You can use your favorite cereal, your favorite snacks. Just melt some chocolate in there. We're gonna give you the recipe on the screen. All right, that's it. It's that easy. What'd you think, Serenity? Was that easy? All right, so when you're done, this is what it looks like. Isn't that pretty? Looks like it's snow dusted. So that's our snow day mix. Thanks, Serenity.
You're welcome.
What do you want to do now? Do you want to build a snowman with pizza? All right, let's go. All right, Serenity, it's pizza time. Do you think you want to make a snowman pizza?
Yes.
All right, why don't you grab one of these little biscuits?
One.
So we're just working with some really simple biscuit dough that you can buy at the grocery store. It's really fun for the kids to play with. You can just push the dough down like this.
Okay.
And then you could buy the little smaller tube biscuits. And look, what's that? I think we're making a little snowman.
Yeah.
So you can make this with biscuit dough. You can make this with store-bought pizza dough. You can go to your favorite pizza shop and buy a pizza dough.
I don't like none of this.
All right, well, what do you like on your pizza? Sauce? You want to do a little sauce? Do you want me to help you, or you want to do it?
I'll do it.
All right. We'll do it together? A little sauce. Little sauce. Little sauce. All right, what kind? You want to put the cheese on? Go ahead.
Here?
Mm-hmm. Lots of cheese. You have lots of cheese. So you can make this over winter break with your friends or with your family. You can have a pizza party. You can have a game night. And you can put out whatever toppings you want. And everybody can make their own pizza. So this is where you can use a bigger dough from your favorite pizza shop. You can buy a pizza dough at the grocery store. And this is just great family fun over your winter break. You want something fun to do with the kids? All right. He needs a little nose. I'm gonna give him a pepperoni nose. And there you go, a little snowman. Put him in the oven. All right, great job. Well, thanks for coming to hang out with me today and make pizza and snow day mix. So it's just as easy as that. Pick your favorite toppings, your favorite dough, use biscuits. Just have fun with your family over this holiday break. And from our family to yours, happy holidays.